morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Thank you. Sit down. Okay.
I'm on duty today.
Okay, Ardak. What day is it today?
It's 28th of November.
Okay, what day is it today?
It's Tuesday.
Okay, what season is it now?
It's autumn.
Okay, who is absent in our lesson?
Our present. No one is absent.
Okay, Ardak, sit down. Good.
Learning objects. To teach in reading, speaking, listening, writing skills. To teach and to pronounce sound. To develop memory, logical things, speaking skills. Use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary. Okay, students, the new theme of the lesson is space. Okay, let's start the questions. First, me answer the questions. The first questions. What planet do you live on? Earth. Yes, of course, the Earth. We live is the planet Earth. Okay, the next questions. How many planets in our world? How many? 9. Okay, good. 9 planets in our world. Okay. What planets do you know? What planets do you know? Okay. Okay, good. Yes, of course. Earth, Moon, Uranus, Pluto, Neptune. The 9 planets in our lesson and our planet.
New words of new lesson. Look at the blackboard and repeat after me. The first, listen to me. Atmosphere, surface, star, radio, drop, passive, wave, stellar, telescope. Okay, this is a new word or new thing. Okay, repeat after me the new words. Atmosphere, surface, star, radio, drop, passive, wave, stellar, telescope. Okay,
Students, now I would like you to write down in your notebooks your associations with the word space. Now let's look at some possible answers. Space, planet, galaxy, spaceship, astronaut, stars, universe.
The new thing is space, the text, listen to me. The planet you live on is called Earth. Earth goes around a star called the Sun, and as such classifies as a planet. The Sun and everything that carries it form together a system called the solar system. In our solar system, there are additional 7 planets and dwarf planets. Each of these planets takes a different amount of time to travel around. Sun for the Earth, this journey is 365 days long. But for faraway planets like Neptune, it takes 165 years. There are smaller objects which do not circle the Sun, but around these planets. They are called satellites or moons, just like Earth on a natural satellite. Okay, and now look at the videos that...
If you scaled the Earth down to the size of a cue ball, it would be smoother than the ball, Everest included. On Saturn, it may rain millions of pounds of diamonds every year. The atmosphere has such high heat and pressure that scientists think it can squeeze carbon into diamonds in midair. Jupiter is so big that it doesn't even orbit the Sun. It revolves around a spot just above the Sun's surface. The Sun orbits that spot too, so it wobbles a little. Venus spins in the opposite direction than all the other planets in our solar system. Scientists think that the sun's gravitational pull flipped its axis 180 degrees. When the moon is at its furthest point in its elliptical orbit, all the planets in our solar system could fit in the space between our Earth and our moon. The Earth is currently moving 1,029 miles per hour, and our solar system is currently moving 490,000 miles per hour. It's a pretty good thing we have gravity to keep us on the planet. Our Milky Way galaxy is going to crash into the Andromeda galaxy in 4 billion years. The collision will likely fling our sun to another spot in the galaxy, but not destroy the Earth. The fastest thing in the universe is a pulsar called PSR. It's a collapsed star that spins 716 times per second. The molecular cloud Sagittarius B contains over 2 octillion gallons of alcohol. That's a lot of gallons. Scientists think that it would taste like raspberry rum.
Okay, and now task 2, listen and check doing the exercise. The first, look at the video, the doing exercise, and write down a copybook. Do you understand?
Yes, of course.
Okay, let's start. Look at the video.
Space facts. How much do you know about outer space? Let's take a look at some interesting space facts. There is no sound in space because there are no particles for sound waves to travel through. However, astronauts can communicate thanks to radio waves. The footprints of the astronauts will stay on the moon's surface for at least 100 million years. This is because the moon has no atmosphere, so there's no wind or water to wash them away. Stars, like our sun, give light and warmth to planets like ours. As they grow older, they get hotter and expand, pulling the planets nearby towards them and eventually swallowing them completely. This may happen to Earth, but not for another 5 billion years or so. The dwarf planet Pluto lies in a dark and mysterious place in our solar system and was named by an 11-year-old girl called Venetia Burney in 1930. She had read about Greek and Roman mythology, and she thought of calling it Pluto. The red spot on Jupiter is a giant storm with winds reaching 640 kilometers per hour. It's been there since people first looked at Jupiter through telescopes around 400 years ago. Did you know any of the facts already? What else do you know about space?
Okay, and now the next exercise, match the pictures with the writing the picture. Do you understand the exercise?
Yes.
Okay, write down the stickers and back one by one back to the writing. Okay, let's start.
Midnight teacher.
Okay. Start. Okay, good. Right, the students? Okay, okay. The earth. Okay. Okay. The right, students?
Consultation.
Yeah.
One eye.
Very good.
Astronom Ryskalieva.
Okay, good. Exercise, match the pictures with their writing. Your writing is one by one, then interactive blackboard. Do you understand, students? Okay, write down and write down the blackboard all, one by one. Okay, good. What words? Okay, okay, good. The right one, okay. The next.
Teacher.
Okay, good. Okay, right. Okay. Right. Okay, good. The next, okay.
Astronom Ryskalieva.
Right. Sit down. Thank you. The next student. So,
Moon eye.
right. The right student. Moon. Eye. Oh yes, of course. Okay. Write down the blackboard. Yeah. Oh, that was. Okay. Good. The next. Okay. Yes. Right. Okay. The next students. Telescope. Yes. The next. Okay, sit down. Sit. Next. Okay, and then the list is your space. The space is 9 planets there. Yes, of course. What planets? What planets? Venus, Mercury, Moon, Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Neptune, Uranus, and the Planet. Then, yes, you're reading the text and translate, look at the video, and doing the exercise all are present. Yes, of course. Okay, and now homework. Use the line with the beauty and complete your task. Open your book at page 97 and 98. Exercise 3 on page 99. Okay. Good work, students. Thank you very much. The lesson is over. Stand up, students. Goodbye. Thank you, students.